Ever wonder how real-life conversations can help you learn English faster? Today, we're going to follow Joseph as he talks with his family and friends throughout the day. This video will be in two parts. First, we'll listen to the conversations, and then we'll practice some vocabulary. It's a fun and easy way to improve your English skills. Let's get started and enjoy learning together.
Joseph, can you come here for a second?
Sure, Mom. What's up?
Your room looks like a tornado hit it again. How many times do I have to remind you to keep it clean?
I know. I'll clean it up after breakfast, promise.
No, I want you to do it now. You said the same thing yesterday, and look at it.
All right, I'll do it now. Can I at least have my breakfast first?
Fine, but as soon as you're done, I want to see that room spotless. And don't forget, it's your turn to take out the trash today.
Yep, room first, then the trash. Got it.
Morning, Joseph. Did you sleep well?
Yeah, Dad, what about you?
Pretty good. Hey, before you leave for school, could you help me with something in the garage?
Sure. What do you need help with?
The shelf is a bit wobbly. I think the screws need tightening. Can you grab the toolbox and help me fix it?
Yeah, I can do that, but I need to clean my room first, or Mom's gonna freak out.
Good call. After that, just meet me in the garage. Won't take more than 10 minutes.
All right, I'll finish up quickly and be there soon.
Joseph, can you help me with my school project before you leave?
Which project is it?
I need to make a poster about the solar system, but I don't know how to draw the planets.
Oh, that sounds fun. Let me show you an easy way to do it. Start by drawing circles for each planet. They don't have to be perfect.
But I want them to look nice.
No worries, just trace a cup or something round, and then we'll add the details. I'll help you paint the planets if you want.
Yay! That would be awesome. Thanks, Joseph.
No problem. I'll be free after I finish a few chores. Let's work on it together later.
Joseph, have you eaten yet?
Not yet, Grandma. I'm about to have breakfast.
I made you some scrambled eggs. Your favorite.
Thanks, Grandma. You always know what I like.
Eat well. And don't rush out the door without saying goodbye to me.
Of course not, Grandma. I'll make sure to say goodbye before I leave.
Good boy. And remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
Yes, Grandma. I won't forget.
Joseph, are you going to school now?
Not yet, Tim. I've still got to do a few things. Why?
I wanted to ask if we could play video games before you leave.
I don't think I'll have time for that this morning, buddy. I've got chores, remember?
Just for a little while, please?
How about we play when I get back from school? I'll have more time then.
Promise?
Promise, but you've got to finish your homework first, okay?
Deal. I'll get it done before you come back.
Hey, Joseph, did you finish the homework for math?
Yeah, I stayed up a bit late to get it done.
Barely. I don't get that last question at all.
Don't worry, it's just a word problem. You just need to break it down step by step.
Did you hear about the science project? I think it's going to be hard.
Yeah, but we've got time to figure it out. Let's meet up later and work on it together.
Good idea. We'll get it done.
Good morning, class. Let's settle down quickly. We've got a lot to cover today.
Morning, miss.
Joseph, did you review for the test? I hope you're prepared.
Yes, miss. I went over the material last night.
Great. If you have any last-minute questions, now's the time to ask before we start.
Actually, can you go over the second chapter again? I wasn't too clear on some parts.
Sure, let's go over it quickly before the test begins. Hey, Joseph. How's everything going?
Hi, everything's good. Just getting home from school.
Joseph, you're growing up so fast. How's your family?
They're doing well. I just helped my sister with a project this morning.
That's nice of you. Keep up the good work.
Thanks, I'll see you around.
Welcome home, Joseph. How was your day?
It was good. The test wasn't as bad as I thought.
I'm glad to hear that. Did you remember to bring your lunchbox back this time?
Yep, it's in my bag. I'll put it in the kitchen.
Good. Don't forget to start on your homework soon. Dinner will be ready later.
Got it, Mom. I'll do it after I play with Tim for a bit.
Joseph, you promised we'd play video games after school.
I didn't forget. Let me just grab a snack first, and we can play for a bit.
Yes, I finished my homework like I said I would, so now it's game time.
All right, but just one game, Tim. I've got homework too.
Deal. I've been waiting all day.
Hey, Joseph, did you help your mom with any chores today?
Yeah, I cleaned my room this morning, like she asked.
Not yet, but I'll finish it after dinner.
Did you have a chance to finish that shelf we were working on?
Good job.
I can help you with it after dinner if you still need me.
That would be great. We can finish it up quickly.
Sure thing, Dad. After dinner, it is. Hey, how was your day?
Not too bad. Just finished my homework. You?
Pretty good. Had a test, helped my sister with her project, and played games with Tim.
Sounds like a full day. How did the test go?
I think I did okay. I was super nervous though. You know how it is.
Yeah, for sure. I was stressing about mine too. We should hang out this weekend to celebrate being done.
Definitely. Let's plan something fun. Maybe a movie or more gaming.
Sounds perfect. Just let me know when.
Will do. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Good night.
Good night.
Today was pretty good. I cleaned my room, helped Dad with the shelf, and did all right on that test. Anna's project turned out well, and Tim was happy we played together. I've still got some homework to do tomorrow, but at least I've got the weekend ahead. Yeah, today wasn't too bad. Time to get some sleep.
Looks like a tornado hit it, meaning it looks very messy or chaotic, as if a storm messed everything up. Example, after the kids played, the room looked like a tornado hit it. Spotless, meaning very clean and free of dirt or marks. Example, the kitchen was spotless after she cleaned it. Wobbly, meaning unsteady or shaky, not firm. Example, the table was wobbly, so I fixed it with a book. Figure it out, meaning find a solution or understand something. Example, I couldn't open the door, but I figured it out eventually. Settle down, meaning calm down and relax. Example, after the party, everyone needed to settle down. Hang out, meaning spend time relaxing with friends. Example, we like to hang out at the park after school.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and practice your English every day.